Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I bought recently this gorgeous 2008 Mercedes-Benz S550. I slowly fixing her up and most of that footage goes on the Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. And today's video will be about how to keep her clean and looking good. Everybody knows that the black color vehicles get really quickly dirty. If you never want to wash your car, truck, van, you probably best bet is probably to go with a silver metallic color. I don't think I ever in past washed vehicle so much like this one because that black paint. Trying to figure out how to make my life easier and not to wash so much. In a couple last years I saw a lot of videos about it. Ceramic technology, ceramic waxes, ceramic applicators, people showing these miniature bottles costing $200 of those mini droplets, putting it on their paint and showing these results, and you could give it to the professionals, but the whole job was $2,000 just to ceramic coated the whole car. I guess the technology developed and now it's also not maybe identical but similar stuff available for us peasants who cannot pay $2,000 just to coat the paint on the car. So I recently saw this product in the stores and I finally said to myself, hey, you want to have easier life? Maybe you should consider trying this one. I'm not being paid for this, it's not sponsored. I bought it yesterday with my own money. I paid $23.69 with a tax. I want to follow these instructions and apply it on this Mercedes. So, to clean the hood perfectly as a sample, I have here another Mequiars product. This is the soap for washing the cars from Mequiars. I bought millions of years ago in Costco. The bottle, the original bottle, the plastic fell apart. There were cracks. So I will put a little bit of it in my bucket here with the water. It amazes me how quickly you got all that bird poop and the dust. I don't know what's happening. I'm already thinking that when I bought this car, something happened in the universe and there's way more dust in the air than just day before. It's amazing how quickly black paint gets dirty. I don't want to use a hose and spray all over my shop here inside, so I will just back her out. And look how the water is uniformly sticking to that paint after the wash and without using any waxes. We definitely want to change it right now. So following these directions, which only make sense, I will be performing so-called initial application. And this is what it's saying: after lightly spraying hybrid ceramic wax onto the wet surface, not on the dry. So let's go ahead with this and see. I will use only 1/2 of the hood and we will see the difference. Now, what they say in an instructional video which I watch, they say less is more, don't overdo it. So, look at it. Small amount of this. That's probably too much already. So I sprayed it on 1/2 so we will see the difference. And basically this is it. Simply towel dry with quality microfiber drying towel. I had one towel which is blue in color, so it will be easy to keep it as a dedicated one for these products. Wow! Guys, it smells really good. And I think that's what they meant. I already screwed it up. It's way too much. It's way too much. Yep. If I just listened, huh? That towel is soaked with that product. Wow. Well, this is all learning, isn't it? Yep, there's no dirt because we washed that. The towel is perfectly clean. And they say, make the hood dry. Well, okay. I probably overspray a little bit on the other side. I can't wait to see the results. I'm sure you are in the same boat. I'm really hoping that I will be washing this car less, that maybe, just maybe, and that's my hope, I will be only using the hose and quick rinse without that entire process of using sponges and so on. Yep, it was probably better to put less. Maybe I should go a little bit on the other part of the hood since I have the product in the towel. There's nothing wrong going a little bit further. And this will still show us, the remaining part of the hood will show us the difference. These droplets. Do you remember when I initially washed her? It was non-existent. These droplets were not there. This is absolute game changer. And here is the remnant of that thick film of the water, because I didn't wipe this off. I guess the overspray happened, and somewhere we see the droplets also. Huge difference from the moment just 30 minutes ago when we only washed her that Mequiars soap. So when I still have her wet, I will finish the other half of the hood. Look at the difference of the pooling of the water. Basically everything is gone. Everything is flowing really, really quickly bad. Now they say you're supposed to start on the roof, because you will be basically applying that wax and no more that blue rag. It will be just using the strong spray of the water, even your hose, or carefully with pressure washer, and that's it. That will be distributing that wax all over the paint. Because of you are washing it down, you should start on the roof and continue down, because it will be flowing down and distribute it that way. So let's see if I can duplicate it. I'm still using that hood as a sample, and again it's funny because they keep saying just a little bit of it. They're not saying, hey, use the whole thing and come and buy more today. This will probably last for a while. And now I'm seriously just supposed to spray it off with a strong amount of water from the higher areas to the lower ones. I have a problem with sun here. I cannot get out there. It's as usually, but so I will do it a little bit. So you are going down. Basically only work which is remaining, the manual work, is using microfiber towel and dry up the paint. Wow, it's very slippery. The paint, as we started today, I admitted it was dirty, but look how slippery it is. This is unreal. I love it. Very good look on this paint after applying this product. For me it was introduction. I wasn't sure which product use for this vehicle. That old stuff, I didn't want to do that. All that buffing and polishing and buffing and applying these old waxes. So I felt it's time to try that ceramic technology. It's pretty cool. I'm very happy about it. It feels good. I will do the whole car. And this was intro video. I'm sure I will do maybe in a month. The winter is coming. There will be a lot of rain and dirt every day on the road. In a month or two, I will do some update. I'm liking it, and if it's worth, if it made my life easier, because one step it's completely gone. So I really hope you find this video interesting, maybe helpful. If you like it, please give a thumb up. Stay tuned, please subscribe, have that notification button so you don't miss the future videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.